Hello everyone. Next presentation regarding noise pollution topic. Noise pollution means that is the unwanted or excessive sound that can have deleterious effects on human health and environmental equality. So noise pollution is commonly generated inside many industrial facilities and some other workplaces. But it was also comes from highway or any other industrial area, railway and airplane traffic and from outdoor construction activities. Then next we have to be seen what is exact noise. Sound that is unwanted or that disturbs the activity or balance of human or animal life is called as noise. When there is a lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as noise pollution. So regarding we have to be seen the all our system regarding noise pollution, that is the precise measurement and scientific description of noise levels differs from most subjective human perceptions and opinions about sound. Noise levels generally vary with time, so noise measurement data are reported as time averaged values to express overall noise levels. Noise pollution refers to a type of energy pollution in which distracting, irritating, or damaging sounds are freely audible. In this type of pollution, contaminants are not physical particles but waves which interferes with the naturally occurring waves of a similar type of in the same environment. Noise means also the sound that which is unwanted and disturbs one's quality of life is known as noise. Normal sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs our normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversations. So it is the disturbances or awareness of where we have to be doing the some amount of specific work or important working. World Health Organization stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. Then we have to be seen next, that is what is the causes of noise pollution. First reason is public or private transportation vehicles. These are one of the daily causes of noise pollution in our streets, public highways. Second reason is industrial machineries. Where is the MIDC area or industrial residential area? At that time, the high amount of high rated machineries are available for doing some important works. So there are so many various examples of industrial machinery that create severe disturbing and hazardous sounds to the industrial workers. Next reason is construction sites. We all know that every construction area uses huge equipments as part of their job like payloader, crane, cement mixer, bulldozer, etc. So this is the all our vehicles or all our machineries where is sound is mostly high level available. Next reason is loudspeaker. Using loudspeaker in public or private areas like residential, commercial establishment, public market or concert area. At that time loudspeaker is going to be available, so noise pollution also created. Last reason is big events. We all love celebrating big events such as birthdays, anniversaries, house parties, festivals, marriage ceremonies. These are the all our big events where is the noise is going to be mostly created by loudspeakers. Noise pollution is a type of energy pollution in which distracting, irritating, or damaging sounds are freely audible. This is the noise pollution's definition. Effects of noise pollution to human health. That is the first is noise pollution has many harmful effects on the psychological or physiological or psychological health of human beings. The effect of noise pollution on the health include hypertension, annoyance, high stress levels, aggression, hearing loss, tinnitus, sleep disturbance, and many such health problems which is available by noise pollutions. Okay, apart from traffic and industrial machinery, poor urban planning is also one of the causes of noise pollution. Then, what is the sources of noise pollution? The first one is road traffic noise. We have to be already knows. Second one is aircraft. Third one is noise from railroads. Next, construction noise. Next, noise in industry. Next, noise in building. Next, noise from consumer products. Next, loudspeakers or public address systems. And last one is firecrackers. So these are the basic sources where is because of that sources the noise is high levelly available in surrounding area. Sound that is unwanted or disturbs one's quality of life is called as noise. Where there is lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as noise pollution. Sound become undesirable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversations. It is an underrated environmental problem because of the fact that we can't see, smell, or taste it. World Health Organization stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well being. Then there are basically two types of noise. First one is external noise, next one is internal noise. In external noise, that is the atmospheric noise. Second one is extraterrestrial noise. Next one is industrial noise. Last one is man-made noise. In atmospheric noise, there is the naturally voice is available, so that's why that is called atmospheric noise. Then industrial noise is available, and by suppose in man-made noise is available, that is the all over including in external noise. In internal noise, that there is a thermal noise. Next one is short noise. Next one is transit time noise, and last one is miscellaneous noise. These are the basic types and subtypes of noise. Effects of noise pollution sample diagram by using presentation this slide. First is effect of noise pollution. There are two effects. First one is auditory effects and next one is non-auditory effects. In auditory effect, there is the auditory fatigue, deafness. This is the subtypes. And non-auditory effects have, that is the conversion is annoyance. Next one is loss of working efficiency. Next one is loss of interference in speech communication. And next one is physical disorder like increase in health beats. So this is the auditory effects and non-auditory effects by noise pollutions. Next slide says how noise is measured. There are different media is available for measurement of noise. So that is a noise or sound is measured in the unit of decibel. That is, in short, we have to be write in dB. The typical sound levels measured in the surrounding are as follows. Library, that is the 35 decibel. Office, that is 60 to 65 decibel. Normal traffic noise is 70 to 80 decibel. Airport, we have to be seen in plane takeoff, that is the 120 decibel. So this is the different level of all over noise level. Next one is causes of noise pollution is the major sources of noise are road traffic, air traffic, rail traffic, industry, and recreational activities. So minor sources of noise can be an office, a hair dryer in use, and indoor conversations. Again, we have to be seen sources of noise pollution is road traffic noise. We have to be already seen. Next one is aircraft. Next, noise from railroads. Next, construction noise. Next, noise in industry. Next, noise in building. Noise from consumer products. Next one is loud by using loudspeaker or public address system, and also the noise of firecrackers. Because of this all over sources, the noise pollution is going to be increased. Sources of noise pollution again is the industrialization, social events, transportation, construction activities, and domestic gadgets. In that particular slide, the effect of noise pollution is directly applied to the human life. We have to be seen the it is going to be mostly irritating situations where is the noise pollution is available. We have to be seen in particular slide. How much decibel can a person take? Every human being have a limited capacity to grasping or to catching all over noise. The person can take approximately up to 70 decibels before they are being disturbed, which can lead to physical and mental problems. Air raid science is 140 decibels. Airplane taking off and thunder, that is a 120 decibels. Garbage truck is the noise is 100 decibels. City traffic and truck driver is 90 decibels. Alarm clock and hair dryer is 80 decibels. So this is the all over ranges of noises. Classification of noise pollution is there are two kinds of noise pollution. That is the first one is community noise. We have to be also said that environmental noise or non-industrial noise pollution. In that particular, aircraft noise, roadway noise pollution, and last one is underwater noise pollution. Second classification of noise is the occupational noise, that is also called industrial noise pollutions. Train, airplane, automobile, motorcycle, and even entertainment noise can disturb wildlife habits, keep disturbance in human and animals, hearing loss, hurt, disease, and in several cases, even mental instability is also available, or also disturbances is created by using that noise pollution and directly affected to the human beings and also animal life indirectly. Effects on animals. Noise can cause serious damage to wildlife. Ways in which animals are adversely affected by noise pollution includes. Next one is hearing loss. Next one is masking. Masking in the inability to hear important environmental clues and animal signals. Next one is physiological effects, that is the such as increase in heart rate, respiratory difficulties, and stress. Next one is behavioral effect, which could result in abandonment of territory and loss of ability to reproduce. Next one is effect is ecological effect. It leads to migration of birds, which disturbs the ecosystem. In detail, we have to be seen road traffic noise directly proportional to number of vehicles operated on the road. This noise is also the relation between this noise is dependent on the number of vehicles which has to be operated or present on the road. Increased in number of road vehicles and in turn road traffic density. The next, increase in traffic speed, increase in noise volume. This is the relation. And modern highways encourage higher speeds. That's why at that time the all over noise is not available. So this is the all over solution. And irritating horns is also available. Because of the in irritating horns, the noise pollution is going to be increased. An impact of noise on animals' life is the reduction of usable habitat that noisy areas may cause, which in the case of endangered species may be part of the path of extinction. In underwater, animals have also irritating level for the underwater level operations where is the created at that time. This fish animals or underwater all over animals is going to be at, at that time also noise pollution is available. Noise pollution damages the nervous system of animal. Animal loses the control of its mind. They become dangerous. Noise can have a detrimental effect on animals by causing stress, increasing risk of mortality, by changing the dictate balance in predator predetection and avoidance, and by interfering with their use of sounds in communication, especially in relation to reproduction and in the navigation. Noise also makes species communicate louder, which is called Lombard vocal response. That is, the scientists and researchers have conducted experiments that show whales' song length is longer when submarine detectors are on. Because of this all over noise pollution, the problems is created, and that problems are following. That is, the noise pollution makes men more irritable. The effect of noise pollution is multifaceted and interrelated. The effects of noise pollution on human beings, animal and property are as follows. First one is hearing impairment. Second one is it decreases the efficiency of a man. Next one is lack of concentration. Next, abortion is caused. Next, pupil dilation. Next, mental illness. Next one is it causes heart attack also, and that is the dangerous problems on affected directly to the human beings. And next one is digestive problems is also available because of this all over noise pollutions. Temporary or permanent deafness is also available. Aggressive behavior, then effect on vegetation, poor quality of crops, next effect on animals, next effect on property, next sleep interference, and last one is that is a speech interference. These are the big problems available in human lives, animal lives, or day-to-day industrial level lives. So this is the dangerous problems. Next, control measures of noise pollution. There is the all over number of solutions. Some solutions is available here for controlling of noise pollution. First one is roadside trees. Where is the both side of roads is number of trees or number of plants is available, at that time we have to be controlling the noise pollutions. Second one is modern roads. Where is the it is going to be absorbing noises, that is the modern roads are available. So this is also a big solution. Next one is installation of decibel meters along highways. Also we have to be installation of silencer in industrial purpose and in places of public gatherings. In this type of contamination, the humans are the main guilty, because is due to them who exit noise harmful to health or welfare. Transportation vehicles are the worst offenders, with aircrafts, railroad stocks, trucks, buses, then automobiles and motorcycles, all producing excessive noise. So prevention of this noise, for avoid this noise is first, the government should ensure the new machines that should be noise proof. Airports must be away from residential area. So this is the again next solution. We should not use loudspeaker. There is next solution. Next one is factories should be made out of the city. Next one is sound effects. Our ears, so loud noise should be avoided. Next, social awareness programs should be taken up to educate the public about the causes and effects of noise pollutions. This is big important, and this is the very needable solution. Planting bushes and trees in and around surrounding all over area, sound generating sources is an effective solution for noise pollution. And lastly, we have to be seeing the conclusion. In this PowerPoint I have told you what you noise pollution is, what you can do to stop it, some agencies of noise pollutions, and what is the being done about noise pollution right now. Again, whenever we considering regarding all our noise pollution is, it's all over depend the rate at which sound energy transmitted called sound intensity. It is proportional to square of system. Because of the logarithmic nature of the decibel scale can increase 10 dB. Decibel represent the system, that is the sound intensity. If suppose in case if a construction drill causes a noise level of about 90 decibel, then two identical drills operating side by side will cause a noise level of 93 decibel. On the other hand, when two sounds that differ by more than 15 decibel in the weaker sound is masked or drowned out by the loud under. For example, suppose if 80 decibel drill is operating next to a 95 decibel dozer at the construction site, the combine of those two sources will be measured as 95 decibel. So this is the less intense sound from the compressor will not be noticeable. So this is all over regarding noise pollution. Thank you.